So we are going to continue on with our links. And what we're going to do is create a link from the balance in cell B8 to the balance in G20, which is in the January worksheet. So we're going to click on B8, end of the month balance. And we're going to click on the hyperlink button. And let's see. Now, instead of linking to a file or website, we're actually now going to link to a place in this document. So make sure you choose place in this document. And then where it says type the cell reference, we want to go to G20. That's the cell. And then the cell is in our January sheet. Okay, so we're linking to cell G20 in the January sheet. I'm going to click OK. So basically, if we click on this, it should take us over to cell G20 in January, and it does. So now we're going to go back to summary, and we're going to click on C8. And we're going to do something very, very similar, but instead of linking to G20 in January, we're going to link to G20 in February. Okay, so you're going to select C8, click on hyperlink, place in this document is correct, the cell is G20, and now we're linking to February. And we're going to do the same thing for March. So we're going to select D8, and we are going to go into hyperlink. Place in this document is right. The cell is G20, and the sheet is March. We're going to click OK. And now if we click on February, it should take us to G20 in February. Let's go back, and if we click on March, it should take us to G20 in March. And we're going to go back to our summary tab. And our next little task, and I'm going to save before I move forward. I like to save frequently, you will notice, just in case I have a disaster and the program closes on me, I still have what I've done so far. They would like us to insert or take the graphic and create a hyperlink from that. So they want us to choose the very first graphic, and we're going to right click on this. And then we're going to choose hyperlink, and that's basically the same thing as clicking the hyperlink button. Okay, there's no difference, it's just a different way of getting to the same place. And at the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, this time we are doing an existing file or a web page. And we are going to go to www.paradigmcollege.com. And in our screen tip, tips are very useful when you have graphics that are links, because quite often people don't realize they are links. So for the screen tip, we're going to key in view the company website. And then we'll go ahead and click OK. And we're going to click away from the graphic. And now if we point to it, we do see the hand indicating it's a link. And it says view the company website. I'm going to save this. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And again, it does take us to the Paradigm site.